So now let's see how we can work around with the rows block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the rows block, you need to first go around over here and then go in between two blocks right here. Click on add block right here and then type in row, let's say for example. Then go around over here onto the row section. So once you go around over here, you can see that you get two rows right here. So I can go ahead and add a block right here in the particular row. And let's say, for example, I'm going to type in sample paragraph right here, just like this. I can go around over here and then let's say, for example, paste this out right here. And then this is the particular row right here. So this is a row block, as you can see right here. And I can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, another block right here beneath this as well. So I can add in an image around over here and upload out, let's say for example, an image that I have right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it'll upload this out onto the same area in this particular row block, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then work around with the row block. And you can go ahead and center align it and right align it right here, just like this. So as long as this is valid, it'll align everything out. But in my case, I'm not seeing much, but I can change around the orientation, as you can see right here, and wrap around in multiple lines as well. I can also go ahead and change around the position right here, just like this, to default, or you can make it sticky. And you can also go ahead and change it into a group, a row, a stack right here, and a grid as well. So you can also go ahead and change the type of the block right here. You can go around and change around the style of the row right here, just like this, and change around the text color, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and change around the background right here, just like this as well. And then you can go ahead and change around the padding right here. You can change around the margin, as you can see right here, change around the block spacing right here, and so forth, as you can see, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the row block inside of wordpress.com and work around with it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.